Okay, example 4 wants us to investigate the angle side congruence criterion. So the whole idea here is if we have angle side, we have two sides, two pair of angles that are congruent, right? Two pair of corresponding angles that are congruent. If we know that two pair of angles are the same, this is our third angle theorem. We really haven't talked about that this year. But if you know two angles of the triangle, you're going to be able to find out the third. So if we know two pair of angles are congruent, we know the third pair is going to be congruent as well. So since two pair of angles are congruent, we know that this third pair, angle C and angle F, would also be congruent. That's called the third angle theorem. If you have two pairs of angles in two different triangles that are congruent, we know the third pair of angles will also be congruent because the three angles of the triangle are both going to have to add up to 180. Okay. And then once you have that, you have angle side angle, right? So angle side angle would then tell us that these two triangles are congruent. So instead of going through that every single time, we can just simply use angle side instead. So if we know we have two triangles where two pair of angles are congruent, and the non-included side, right, two pair of angles, we know that those two triangles are going to be congruent, and we call that the angle side congruence criterion. Okay.